Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to check if your financial institution is supported by Flinks. Flinks is a financial data platform used by many apps and services to connect to your bank account. If you need to link your bank account to a service that uses Flinks, you need to ensure your financial institution is covered. There are a few straightforward ways to check for coverage. First, the most common way is during the account connection process itself. When you use an application powered by Flinks, you will typically be presented with a search bar or a list to select your financial institution. If you can successfully search for and select your bank or credit union, it is supported. Second, you can check the official Flinks documentation or status page. Flinks has a large network, covering over 15,000 financial institutions across North America, but you should always confirm. For the most up-to-date information, developers and business users often refer to Flinks' official documentation, specifically the institution's API reference, which lists all available institutions. Third, Flinks also maintains a public status page. This page is primarily for checking the current operational status, whether the connection is operational, degraded, or experiencing an outage. But it also confirms the institution is part of their supported network. You can search for the Flinks status page online to find this information. Finally, if you are an end user and your bank is not listed during the connection process, or if you encounter an issue, the best step is to contact the customer support for the application you are using. They work directly with Flinks and can often confirm coverage or suggest alternative options. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.